and check out where's the big bad wolf.
I killed him. My daddy, who's an Axeman, he killed him.
Okay. So let's see. Oh, look at this. The red head of the big bad wolf is here.
Ah, that's my leftover.
Come into my cave.
Oh God! Oh damn! Is this the head?
Help me! Help me!
I can smell the formalin.
Ang gwapo na mga bisita nito.
Oo.
Yan.
Hindi. Kawit bahay.
Ang gwapo.
Super.
Kuya, he looks like this one, the actor of the Ghostbuster. Hello, son. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Really? No team plays? Well, maybe try washing one up.
Gusto mo bang mag-red ng wig? Merong red. Black, meron.